Hello everyone and welcome back post-COVID. As you can see, I am all geared up and ready to give you the best. Apologies for the break, but there was nothing else I can do in terms of getting the videos out to you. We need to be in the office, but now I think it's time for some filming. What do you think? Can you hear me? Because I can hear myself again. So I know you guys have been so patient. Thank you so much for bearing and sending all the messages, inquiries. I have read and heard all of them, and I totally understand. I've been dying to come in here and give you guys more videos. Unfortunately, as you're aware, because of COVID, we were stuck and unable to go to the clinic, but now that we are back in, we're taking all the precautions that we need to ensure that our clients are safe, I'm safe, my team's safe, and that's our key priority. Now we're back in, we're starting our filming, so I'm pleased to announce we have more videos coming up for you guys very shortly. There's actually a new video that's going to be premiering very soon, so check out the link because we're going to be airing that out for you literally today. And if there's any videos that you want to see in specific, any questions that you have that I can make something for you more relatable, better, maybe something that was niggling that you didn't know about, pop it in the comment box below. Believe it or not, I do read all my comments and I do try to get back to most people, but there's only so much time in the day for me to do so, so please do bear with me in that case. And if there's anything that we can help you with, then go onto our website, which is www.dgpodiatrist.com, and we'll have more information where you can contact myself or my team and we can get back to you on everything else. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's get the show started. Enjoy the videos and welcome back to the channel.